What up? Let's make some Creole shrimp with me real quick. First thing first, make sure that your shrimp is clean, peeled in the vein. You rinse it out, then you're gonna add some APs, some lemon juice, and some salt and pepper. That's it. Mix it well, set it aside. In the meantime, we're gonna chop up some yellow onions, about a quarter of an onion. Then we're gonna heat up a pan on high heat with some olive oil. Then we're gonna sear the shrimp each side for less than 2 minutes until they're really beautiful golden like you see them right now. Pull the shrimp aside, use that same pan with some oil. We're gonna put some tomato paste with some tomato sauce, cook it down, add some APs to it and continue to cook it down. Then we're gonna put our yellow onions and we're gonna saute them in that mixture and pour also some shrimp stock that we did at home. We're gonna add Scotch bonnet with some clove, a little bit of lime juice, and we're gonna also top it off with the shrimp and some unsalted butter. Mix everything well and then enjoy, my friends.